Look at the water flowing. Crazy what can happen on the river. Wait. This is a city street, not the river. And speaking of river, we're heading down to the river right now to go check it out. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to JDS Outdoors. Another update on all the moisture we've been having here. It's been raining 2 days straight. We just wanted to do a little drive-by here showing how all the snow is melting and water all over the place. We got roads closed all over the place due to flooding. It's actually quite amazing. Haven't seen this much water in forever. And being how fast all this snow is melting, and with the rain falling, soaking the little bit of snow that's left, it's just an insane amount of water. Absolutely insane. Coming up here, we got a little river. It's called the Vermilion River. There we go. The river is overflowing its banks already. Two days ago, all these fields had 2 feet of snow in them. 48 hours of rain, above freezing temps in the mid-40s. All this water in the fields is yet to make it to the river. But all this water has showed up in the last 48 hours or so. This road's almost underwater in itself. Imagine what's going to happen when all that water reaches the river. It is going to skyrocket. This is just low-lying fields with rapids flowing through them. Side of the road getting soft. Most of the road up here is underwater. Almost overflowing the road again. Huge portions of farmland just covered in water. Hopefully this gives an idea on how much water we're actually dealing with. What it's going to do when it actually reaches the river is anybody's guess. This fast snow melt is exactly what we did not want to happen. I mean, short of getting another 3-4 inches of rain, this is one of the worst case scenarios. And water on both sides of the road. This road is normally got corn on each side. I've never seen this amount of water out here. This is all field runoff. Now, most of this water ends up in the Vermilion River that I showed you earlier. And then that river feeds into the almighty Mississippi. So it may take a little bit of time for it to get there, but it's going to get there with a vengeance. Here we have a little tree farm. And all them trees are in the water. Alright, just hopped out of the truck, walking up this snowbank down here at Mississippi River. Let's check and see if my prediction was right. Oh yeah, she's wide open. Remember the other day, this is Tuesday I was talking, this was still frozen over. And the water was at, what was it, 4.6 feet, I believe it was, 4.9 feet. Current water level is at 5.9 feet. And it has come up that 1 foot in the last 12 hours. Crazy. Little ice chunk floating there. They lowered the prediction from going up to 8.6 feet down to 6.6 feet by this time next Tuesday. Today is Thursday, and it's come up 1 foot in 12 hours. So I think the prediction's a little off. I think we're going to have a little bit more than 6 feet of water by this time next Tuesday. But I called it. River wide open in the middle by Thursday with waters on the rise. Let's get out of the rain. Well, back from the river now. It's kind of icy back here behind the house, but just want to show the lake. A lot of the snow is just about gone. Do you see that? See that right there? That brown water crap? That's Mississippi River flowing on top of the ice over here. It tends to flow in on this. This would be the north shore of the lake. The water flows in like crazy. Let's go over here and check out and see how high the water is on the lake right now. Alright, so the lake hasn't shown too much signs of raising yet, but it's well underway. A little pile of rocks down there. You can still see those at the base of the trees. So we'll check back on this and see what it looks like the next few days. With the river rising as fast as it is, this is not far behind. So let's head back inside, warm up, get out of the rain, and get ready to post this video. So if you guys want to keep following along, feel free to do so. It's going to be real interesting over the next few days, especially with the river rising a foot in 12 hours. Hopefully this rain stops. Getting sick of it. So, as always, thanks for watching JDS Outdoors. You guys have a good night.